Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys, man? It is freezing outside. Got my do-rag on because it's fucking, my hair look crazy. It's cold outside. Got my jacket on. But we're gonna work on this little beast today. Got a couple of things that I got in the mail. Nothing crazy. Today's gonna be like something simple because it's too cold outside. But I've got these neochrome lug nuts. I've been putting off putting them on because it's been so cold. Then let me open this up and I'll show you guys what this is. Alright guys, so I got these eyelids that I bought off of eBay. I think they were like, I don't know, I can't even remember how much they were, but they were really cheap. And for the front end that I'm trying to do, or what I'm trying to do to the front end and how I want to make it look, it's gonna come together little by little. These aren't gonna stay black. They're gonna be painted the same color as the car. So what we're gonna do is throw on the lug nuts. You guys aren't gonna want to see that, so I'm just gonna throw those on real quick. Probably do like a, I don't know, but let's just throw those on quick. So I'm gonna take those off because we're gonna do something to the wheels soon. So let's hope I have the tools because I don't have my tool bag with me, and get this thing done. Alright, just to give a little overview, they're Volks racing lug nuts, and they're actually kind of cool. I can't take them out. I can't even take it out. Well, regardless, basically it comes with two keys. One Allen is, what's the Allen key, take off the top, and then to actually use the key to actually take out the lug nut. It's actually really good, really cool. I'm gonna throw them on, and I got them in neochrome so it matches the rest of the car. Let's throw these bitches on. God, guys, I love the way these things look. It's gonna look even better once the wheels are done the way I want to do them, and the color scheme that I'm going with the car, it's gonna look dope. So now we're gonna do the eyelids. I gotta clean the headlights real quick, like some sort of degreaser, like soap and water, dry them off and throw them on. Alright guys, so literally what I just got was like soapy water, just to clean it. Ah, crap. Here we go. Soapy water, just to clean it up a little. And just, wow, it's actually kind of dirty. Dude, it is so cold. You guys don't even understand how cold it is outside, man. Alright, I'll be clean. Dry them up. Alright, so they're all set, cleaned. Let's throw these bitches on. Mind you, these are from like eBay. They don't look bad. Not bad at all. Let's just see if they fit, like, for sure. I'm not even gonna flex, bro. This shit looks wild hard. This shit looks sick as fuck, dude. Check this out. That shit is hard, especially when it's all one solid color. And with the thing that I'm gonna get, oh man, it's a little off because this car got hit in the front end. I just found that out recently, so everything is a little bit off, but I'm getting a whole brand new front end, so that wouldn't really matter. But man, this car is starting to come together real nice. With the lug nuts, man, the lug nuts look fire, bro. Fire. Like I said, everything in this car is all eBay. eBay, everything. I got those, the eyelids eBay, lug nuts eBay, everything eBay. The only thing I didn't get from eBay were the coilovers because I got them from Lewis. I was gonna get eBay coilovers, but why pay $300 when I can get them for $80? You know, it's a good deal. But I think that's it for today's video because it's really cold outside. I'm gonna put you on right quick. These little, whatever this shit is, I can't even pronounce it. These little vapes, dude. My vape got stolen. Dude, these things are fire. But I think that's it for today's video. And I'm gonna see you. I don't know what I'm gonna do to the car next. I had a couple of other little pieces that I gotta put on. But it's like, it's getting too cold outside. And I can't really bring the car to the shop because there's not really a lot of space right now.
Oh no!
I know.
It's getting, there's not too much space out, and I can't even concentrate, dude. I suck at fucking multitasking. Anyways, like I was saying, I can't really bring it to the shop. There's not enough space, and I really don't feel like driving all the way to Milford, then come back, and I'm just gonna be lazy and not want to do anything. So I'd rather do it here. I know it sounds kind of retarded, but
Silky beat.
I can't get enough of this shit, man. This shit looks fire, bro. That shit looks fucking, man, wait till, yo, this front end, bro, is gonna be so aggressive, bro. I'm gonna be lower. I just gotta get the muffler welded. You see that camber, boy? You see that camber, boy? Anyways, well, until the next one, guys. Catch you on the next video. Don't know when that's gonna be, but it'll be up soon. See you later. Keep on scraping your earth.